Adult Naruto Bijuu mode, Kurama mode, many different names. This is one of my favorite manga panels from the Boruto series. Landscape, page, pencils, erasers for these, and hit pause if I go too fast. So he's got that praying position, he's screaming. Start with the eyes. Center point of my page about here. Come up over to the right. Head will be in the top half. We frown, an aggressive frown. His eyebrows are different. Hairier, which is interesting. And this comes back down. Right, do the same over here. We're kind of doing like a Dragon Ball sort of style thing. Eyebrows first. I find it easier when they're like super aggressive. Big heavy frown, right? And like frown lines. Then eyes. So his top eyelid isn't visible. So we have signs of it here. And then the other side. Now, in Boruto, they do 2 lines on the eyes, different style. But we'll go just like classic Naruto, with 1 spike here. Right, so 1 large spike instead of like 2. They do an extra line sort of here. It's kind of harder for me with this marker, but that works too. And then circle for the eye. And then we got like Kurama's thin eye, and then Sage frog eye, crossing it. And then we got some like more wrinkles and stuff around his nose. And we'll do that again over here. The distance between the eyes is about the white of his eye. You know, the distance between the tear ducts. Okay. And then top eyelid again. And we'll go for just like a single spike. But if you're feeling adventurous, do 2. This looks just like they do it like an extra line. Bottom eyelid there. Next step, we will go for his round pupil, right? And it's just like touching his top eye. He's kind of looking up. Top eyelid, sorry, or eyebrow. Right. And then the fox. The fox meets the frog. And there's temple. And then the nose. So they just draw in nostrils. Very straightforward. That one kind of curves up actually here. And then his mouth. So open mouth, screaming. Big curved line. We're going to draw the whole mouth and then erase the parts that are covered by the hand, okay? Right, like so first. Then we go down. And I'm going to draw this in, but you don't have to. You can leave a gap if you wanted. You could just like not draw this part and do the hand first, but it's easier, I think, just to get everything drawn in. And then top teeth. And then his bottom teeth, so it's kind of just a bit bumpy. this is like his tongue line as well. So you can see like the back of his tongue there. And then they draw in just the molars, you know, the square teeth at the back. Like maybe a spiky one there. But they don't really draw in any other teeth. And I'll just color this black at the back of his tongue. Like so. And we can't see his chin either, but I'll draw it in. So I'm kind of making this up. And maybe bottom lip, but again, his fingers cover that. And then his jaw. Up that way. Side of his face, so it's like super stretched. Comes right up to there. And then he's got like hairy sideburn here. Can't see it really on the other side because some of his cloak, right? But we'll draw the cloak. It looks like his jaw. It's kind of similar actually, but it's actually like his cloak line, like his collar. And then his sideburn is like here. And he's got like shorter hair spikes than young Naruto. So like there's high energy stuff going on here as well. So it's all sort of real scratchy kind of hairlines because everything's like being blasted. And his ear comes out from here. And we can just see a little bit of the ear on this side. A couple of ear lines in here. Like so. And then he's got hair spikes for his fringe just coming across this way. Right? Short and sweet. Before we move up the hair, we'll just add those marks on his face, and they're kind of bigger, so it's like a big one here. Does it go into his ear? No, it kind of disappears here somewhere. And it's like underneath his eyes slightly. Why is that bigger? Is that like, I never noticed that. Did that always happen? Or is that just in this drawing? I'll check it out afterwards. Right, so then hair spikes. Kind of meshes with his chakra going on at the back, but we'll just go mostly hair anyway. So short, little jaggedy hair spikes going all the way around his head. Joins the sideburn on the other side. And there might be like little clusters just on their own, just in here. Like so. Okay. So now, choices. So like everything goes into the hands kind of. So we'll go just this cloak, right? It's real jaggedy, ripped and torn, but it's not torn. It's energy, it looks like. And everything goes in towards the hands here. It's all black in there. Right, we'll just do. So I'll go this way. just get our directions, right? And this is like the black section on the other side. See a little bit of his collar, I think, just in there. Some more sort of folding lines. So I guess the best thing to do would be the hands out to the elbows. And then try and get that cloak in, and then body underneath. Okay, so fingers praying style. So they're like in his mouth, right? We're starting. So we'll go tips of the fingers joined together, right? So you just do this kind of bump. And then there's 4 sets of fingers touching. So you got to do like all the way down. And then the distance between them gets a little bit longer. Right? And then the middle of the fingers kind of bump down this way. And he's got like gloves on. But we'll just go down like so. Now each of these would be a set of fingers, so you just go down, and they're bumpy because he has knuckles, you know. Do it again. Ring fingers. And then middle fingers. They start to disappear a bit. They get like less visible. And then the index. Is it? Oh yeah, it is. Had to think there for a second. Right, back down there, and you can't see the index on the other side actually. So then this is just like palm of his hand then, and like close, wrinkle, fabric lines. And he's got like gloves there. Of course, you'd erase the mouth stuff underneath. And the palms of his hand just go this way, kind of disappear into his looser sleeve that's up here. Fingernails, we can see some. You don't need to draw too much, because you can't see it in the mouth anyway, but I'll add some anyway. Right, now, so he's got like his forearms disappear into like another sleeve that's kind of bumpy here. It goes right up to an elbow. And similar. Can't see the elbow on the, oh you can. Yeah. So we're just going to go take it as long as we can, and then it goes up and then this way. Right, and that kind of disappears into there somewhere. And this goes pretty long. There. And then again, sort of bumpy kind of forearm. So then cloak comes this way. So we'll get that in. So we'll go, and again, things get energetic. So like stuff starts to happen at the fringes because of chakra, right? There's all details in here as well, but we'll do cloak stuff first. What way does that go? Oh yeah, there's a black part underneath. So it goes off my page. And then that comes into there. Cloak on top. So we'll just go like that way. And then there's like another little spiky bit back here. In there. So that goes in behind the hand. There is like black lines and yellow lines and stuff on all these, but so where does that go? That goes off my page up there. There's like the cloak line comes down this way. And body in there, coming down this way. So we just get like his body shape like this, right? And it's kind of bumpy, just like that, basically. And then we can see some bottom of cloak. There. That's like all black in there. Okay. Basic shape. Now, he has details and chakra and all this kind of stuff. So, black lines, right? So we got like a black line here, and they're kind of like energetic. They draw it sort of like with energy sort of stuff. So like just every now and then like a little zigzag. There's a black line there as well. And then there's like yellow lines on yellow or orange. Not sure. And there's like ones on this as well. So maybe just they kind of circle around his forearm here. I think there's another black line. So wait. Black, yellow, oh yeah, okay, black. Black lines coming around. So it's like black in here, you know, and then black. Seems like black is here. Underneath. And then that's yellow, black, yellow. Black or sort of dark grey. And he's got that belly chakra thing, right? So it's like a flame when he releases it, you know. He's letting Kurama out. And then there's patterns around it. Something here as well. And we got the Sharingan symbols. It's like a number 6, basically. Okay. And like chakra, energy, lightning. So it's all black in there, right? Okay. You can add as much of that chakra stuff as you want. And energy lines everywhere if you wanted to like go nuts with all that. But cool. Definitely coolest Naruto panel. One of anyway. As an adult. Like I know there's loads in the original, but I like this one. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.